given curve is y square equal to 4x. Show that subtangent, ordinate, subnormal are in AP, GP, HP. Differentiate with respect to x. 2y into dy by dx. 4a into 1. 2 table cancel. M value 2a by m. Subtangent y by m. Y by m. Take its reciprocal y square by 2a. Where y square value 4ax. 2a cancel. 2x. Subnormal y into m. Y into m value 2a. So subtangent value 2a 2x. Y subnormal. Observe y square equal to 2x into 2a subtangent into subnormal. So this is in the form of a b square equal to ac. B square equal to ac. So these three are in a GP. Are in a GP. Next one. Y equal to x square plus x minus 1. P point 1 comma 1. Length of the tangent A. Length of the tangent B. Subtangent C. Normal. Length of normal D. Subnormal. Then increasing order. See, first calculate m value. M equal to dy by dx. 2x plus 1 minus 0. M at P 1 comma 1. 2 into 1 plus 1 3. So calculate capital A. Length of tangent 1 plus 1 by m square. 1 into 1 plus m square value 9. 9 LCM root 10 by 9. Next B point. B. Subtangent y by m. Y1 value 1 by m value 3. 1 by 3. C. Length of normal y1 into under root 1 plus m square root 10. D. Subnormal y into m. Y value 1. M value 3. 1 into 3 equal to 3. So increasing order. What is the increasing order? B, A, D, C. Observe C value root 10. 3 point something, that is the maximum value. Next D value 3. Next A value. Next 1 by 3, 0 point. This is approximately 0.3. 10 by 9. 10 by 9 means 1 point something. Root of 1 point something is approximately equal to 1 point. So 0.3 least value. Next 1 point. Next 3. Next 3 point. That is the increasing order. Increasing order. Next one. X equal to y square xy equal to k. Cut orthogonally. Find the condition. Find the condition. They cut orthogonally. That means m1 into m2 equal to -1. So calculate slope of the first curve and slope of the second curve. This is 1. This is 2. So 1 equal to 2y into dy by dx. m1 1 by 2y. Next uv formula. U dash v dash u equal to 0. X into dy by dx minus y. Dy by dx minus y by x. This is m2. Given the two curves are cut orthogonally, so therefore theta equal 90 degrees, m1 into m2 equal to -1. m1 value 1 by 2y, m2 value minus y by x equal to -1. y cancel, minus cancel. 1 equal to 1 by 2 equal to x. Substitute this x value in this one. From 1, y square equal to x. Y value root x. So 1 by root x. So y value 1 by root 2. Find the condition. Multiply these two. Substitute these two in the second equation. xy equal to k. X value 1 by 2. Y value 1 by root 2 equal to k. So 1 equal to 2 root 2k. Squaring on both sides. 4, 2, k square. 8 k square equal to 1. Given two curves are cut orthogonally, then find the condition. Given this option, derivative of the first curve, derivative of the second curve, that means their slopes. Given theta equal 90 degrees, m1 into m2 equal -1, we get x value. Substitute x value in 1, we get y value. Substitute both values in equation number 2. Squaring on both sides, 8k square equal to 1. 8k square equal to 1. Next one.